Saif Ali Khan, who recently underwent treatment after an attack at his residence by an intruder, now faces a new battle. After a 5-day hospital stay, Saif was discharged and returned home. Despite this personal ordeal, Saif now confronts a legal challenge that threatens his family's substantial assets. The Madhya Pradesh High Court's recent decision to lift a 2015 stay on the properties has opened the door for the government to potentially claim them under the Enemy Property Act 1968. This law allows the government to take control of the properties left behind by individuals who migrated to Pakistan or China after partition. The properties in question include the luxurious Nurus Sabah Palace, the iconic Flagstaff House where Saif spent much of his childhood, Darus Salam, Bungalow of Habibi, Ahmedabad Palace and the sprawling Kohe Fiza property. At the heart of the dispute is the migration of Saif's great-aunt Abida Sultan, the eldest daughter of the last ruling Nawab of Bhopal, Hamidullah Khan, who moved to Pakistan in 1950. Despite Saif's grandmother Sajida Sultan staying back in India and being recognized as the legal heir in 2019, the government now argues that Abida's departure classifies the properties as enemy property. Saif, who has previously spoken about reclaiming the iconic Pataudi Palace leased out by his father, the late Mansoor Ali Khan Pataudi, clarified in a 2021 interview that the property was always rightfully his. It was a fair financial arrangement and contrary to reports, I did not have to buy it back, he stated. In the latest legal twist, the court has allowed the family to file an appeal within 30 days, offering a glimmer of hope. Meanwhile, Bhopal Collector Kaushalendra Vikram Singh has initiated a review of ownership records spanning the last 72 years. He also hinted that residents occupying these properties, estimated to be around 1.5 lakh people, could now be considered tenants under state leasing laws, sparking widespread concern and uncertainty. As the legal battle intensifies, all eyes are on Saif Ali Khan and his family's next move in their fight to retain their royal legacy.